How to remove someone from best friends list on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. So you simply want to make sure to stick with me till the end. So first of all, open up Snapchat, come to your profile icon by tapping the Bitmoji profile from the top left. Then scroll down, select the option called My Friends. When you go to My Friends, you can see two sections. One is my best friends list, which is at the very top, and the other is my normal friends list, which is at the bottom. So let me explain to you what are best friends. Now, Snapchat automatically adds someone to your best friends list when they notice that you've frequently been exchanging snaps with each other, and Snapchat's algorithm is going to pick that up, and then they're going to add them automatically to your best friends list. And if you're talking about removing someone from your best friends list, then basically you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage, which means you need to do the exact opposite, that is to simply stop exchanging snaps with each other. So again, I repeat, Snapchat adds them to your best friends list because they notice that you've been sending snaps with each other, but suddenly if you stop sending snaps and if the only other person is sending, you stop sending it, they're going to remove that person automatically from the best friends list. Sometimes this might take 2 days or so, sometimes a week, and sometimes a couple of days more than that. However, let's say that this is an urgent matter for you, you simply want to remove the best friends list. You can still do that in two ways. One is that you can either block them, but it comes under the condition of being unfriended, and the other is you can only unfriend them, and if they want to remove it from your best friends list, it'll also be removed from your friends list. So those are the two things you want to keep in mind. So all you have to do is long press on a specific friend over here, tap on manage friendship. Now you can either choose to block them, but what this will do is next time when you unblock them, they're going to be removed from your friends list automatically. Or the other is you can tap on the remove friend. That is going to remove them from your best friends list, but at the same time, the downfall of this is that it's also going to remove them from your normal friends list, but they are going to be disappeared from your best friends, which means that it's going to get the job done. But the solution that I recommend you is to simply stop exchanging snaps with each other for a couple of days. They're automatically going to be removed because Snapchat is going to pick the algorithm in a similar fashion. And that is it for today's video on how you can remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you got any questions, don't comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.